Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to take control of your money and actually start building real wealth in your 20s and 30s, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down simple investing strategies that actually work. No fluff, no hype. Let's dive right in. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't about winning the lottery or picking the next Tesla. It's about making smart, consistent moves starting right now. And the best part? You don't need a finance degree or 6 figures to get started. First, the earlier you start, the easier it gets. Thanks to compound interest, even small investments grow into massive amounts over time. Invest just $200 a month starting at 25. And by 55, you could have over $200,000, assuming a 7% return. Moral of the story: don't wait to have more money. Start with what you have. Second, keep it simple with index funds. Index funds track the overall market, like the S&P 500. Instead of trying to beat the market, you become the market, and historically, that's been a winning strategy. Bonus: index funds have super low fees, which means more money stays in your pocket. Third, automation is your secret weapon. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account every payday, like clockwork. This removes emotions from investing and ensures you're consistently building your portfolio without even thinking about it. Fourth, consistency beats timing. Don't stress about market ups and downs. Focus on buying quality investments regularly. The biggest mistake: jumping in and out of the market based on fear or hype. Stay the course, and future you will be very, very thankful. And finally, investing isn't just about stocks and funds. The best investment? Your skills and knowledge. The more you learn and the more valuable you become, the more you can earn, save, and invest. Never stop leveling up. Alright, quick recap. Start early, even small. Stick with low-cost index funds. Automate everything. Stay consistent. Invest in yourself. That's the real blueprint for building serious wealth over time. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real-world money tips. And drop a comment below telling me, what's your next move for building wealth? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.